Matthias, I'm going to get you to introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Matthias Bravitz. I'm doing press and PR work for P+S Tecknik, and I'm happy that I may introduce the 16 Digital SR magazine. Just yesterday we received the Cinec award for it, and we are very proud of that. And we received it because this 16 Digital SR magazine is the very first bridge between the film and digital world. With this one you can upgrade your existing ARRI 16 SR3 camera into a digital camera, and you are free to decide to get into the digital workflow with it. You can choose between film and digital, and in the digital world you can also choose between RAW and HD workflows with this one. And the very good thing about it is that you can keep your existing accessories, your existing cameras, your existing lenses, your existing viewfinder and everything, and just change the film gate, which is done with 6 grooves, and then you're in the digital workflow with your existing equipment. Another nice feature of it is that it can be remote controlled via iPhone and netbooks, laptops, everything which has a WLAN connection, and it is also capable to be powered at once. You just need one power connection.
So is this standard like 4-pin XLR or 3-pin XLR?
Yes, this one is standard. You can just show it to you. It's 4-pin XLR.
Cool.
It's very simple to use. It's 12 volt. It needs about 80 watts of power, which is quite less. We worked a lot to get this done. Just take this off like that, and here you see the HD sensor, which is the very first version.
I guess before you continue too, this is not exactly my field. How big is that compared to the original 16mm frame that this camera was designed for?
This sensor has an HD resolution.
Okay, but for physical size, how?
The physical size, of course, is smaller than 16mm, as you see.
Okay.
But the result is comparable to 16mm.
Okay, so it's not a big size difference, it's a small size difference, is that what you mean, or how is it?
This one is 2/3 inch.
Okay, so 2/3 inch sensor. Okay,
yes,
excellent.
Yes. Just a regular one.
Okay.
But possibly there may be more in future. And
right.
It's very easy to attach. That's it already. Yes, what makes it very interesting, especially for film schools and university, also is to be able to teach with one unit both workflows to students, to the future filmmakers. The recording unit records onto solid state discs, which is attached here on the upper side. It is very easy to take it off. You can attach solid state discs up to 512 gigabyte, which is enough for about for more than 2 hours of recording.
I see. So are these
one disc?
So you guys manufacture just the housing, or is it like one whole unit you have to buy as a magazine?
We manufacture the housing. There are regular solid state discs in there.
Excellent.
So it is possible to change them by yourself, but we don't recommend it.
Okay.
But you can do that if you want to.
Cool.
And it is very easy to attach and take off. Yes, and upgradable, of course, with the future existing units of solid state discs.
Excellent. Actually, a couple other questions too. Maximum frame rate. What do you?
It is planned to go up to 60 frames per second.
Okay.
We now gonna sell the very first 25 units during the next week for beta testers and selected customers who will give us some more feedback about about all the functions, and we're gonna enhance it then for the final version, which will be capable of 16 frames a second and maybe some more nice features.
Excellent. And then I guess just quick question about price. I don't know if you can tell me, especially I guess how much is it roughly? Are you able to say?
It will be roughly between 20 and 30k.
Okay, sounds good.
And the very final price is not available yet, but we're gonna make it as cheap as possible, of course.
Okay. Actually, okay, excellent.